What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter install in a 2009 Chevy Cobalt. So you come to the passenger side, drop the glove box. You got this little knob right here. You pull out, get that released. Same thing on this side. Once you get that one released, the glove box should drop down. And then the cover is right in there. And you have these release tabs. 1, 2, and 3, and then that drops down and you see the cabin filter right in there. You yank this dirty ass thing out of here, okay, and that's how it looks right there. And then you just install the same way you pulled it out. You make sure it's the same thing, which it is. If I had both hands, it'd be good. But and there you go. Once you get that in there, just put the clap back up there and clip those 3 things back into place. And then you lift up on the glove box. You pull that side. Yep. Drop the camera. But basically, I just push that back in and there you go. And that's how you install a cabin filter on a 2009 Chevy Cobalt. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thanks.